In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a hacked Steam account quickly and safely. Discovering that your Steam account has been compromised can be a truly stressful experience, especially when you have spent years building up a library of games, achievements, and unique items. However, there is no need to panic, because Valve has a very robust system in place to help legitimate owners regain access to their accounts, even if the hacker has changed the email address, password, and phone number associated with the profile. This method is the official way to prove your identity and get back into your account. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's get started with the recovery process. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Steam login page. Instead of trying to log in with your credentials, look below the sign-in fields and click on the link that says, "Help, I can't sign in." This will take you to the Steam Support Help Desk. On the next screen, you will see several options regarding your account issues. You need to select the one that says, "My Steam account was stolen and I need help recovering it." Steam will then provide you with some general advice on securing your computer, such as running an antivirus scan to ensure there aren't any keyloggers present. Scroll past this information until you find the button to reset your password. When you click this, Steam will ask you to identify the account you are trying to recover. Go ahead and enter your Gmail address or the original email associated with the account. Finish the CAPTCHA verification to prove you are not a bot, and then click Search. Now, in most hacking cases, the intruder will have changed the contact email, so you won't be able to receive a verification code. When the system asks how you want to receive a code, select the option that says, "I no longer have access to this email address or did not receive a code." This is the most crucial part of the entire process, as it opens a support ticket directly with Valve. You will now be asked to provide proof of ownership. This is your chance to prove the account is rightfully yours. You should provide as much information as possible, including digital purchase receipts from previous Steam transactions, specific payment information like the last 4 digits of the credit card used, or even a physical CD key from a retail game you registered on the account. The more evidence you provide, the faster the process will go. Once you have filled out the form and attached your proof, submit the request. Now, all you have to do is wait for Valve support to manually review your claim and restore the account. They are usually quite fast, but it can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Once they verify your ownership, they will send a password reset link to your new secure email address. And that is it. You have started the process to successfully recover your hacked Steam account. Always remember to enable two-factor authentication once you get back in to prevent this from happening again. If this video helped you, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.